Wrapping polished aesthetics around a custom chassis, a leather-lined cockpit, and a Spree LS3 drivetrain. This sweet 1970 Chevelle Restomod defines the term quintessential American muscle car. Buff, bad, and ready to roll, this pristine drop top is the beneficiary of a detailed ground-up build that pushed well into the land of six figures. That nut and bolt reboot, conducted by the pros at Woodstock, Illinois' Schwartz Performance, dressed slick Tuxedo Black 2-stage in pearl supersport stripes. And today, this handsome Chevy walks a fine line between tastefully modern and traditionally conservative. Between the doors, you'll find familiar muscle car appeal that's had modern convenience integrated where it counts. Front buckets are custom units that, along with a factory rear bench, have been stitched in glowing leather. A monochromatic dash founds Dakota Digital gauges beside modern direct-fit audio and controls for air conditioning. A factory console serves a horseshoe shifter on plush carpet, and the driver grips a polished and half-wrapped steering wheel on a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find a 430 horsepower LS3 mounted in the billet-trimmed engine bay. That fuel-injected mill sends power through a 4L60E, back to a Moser 9-inch with a Truetrac differential and 370 gears. With its smooth LS3 custom chassis and fresh leather interior, this awesome Chevelle combines excellent power with athletic handling and classic American appeal. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.